to SNAutoLuxury, your go-to destination for premium automotive insights, reviews, and features. On this channel, we explore the finest vehicles on the market, diving deep into their design, performance, comfort, and innovation. Today, we take a closer look at the Suzuki XL6, a stylish and versatile MPV that has carved out a solid presence in the market with its unique blend of practicality and sophistication. The Suzuki XL6 stands apart in the MPV segment with its bold SUV-inspired styling. The front fascia is defined by a wide grille finished in chrome, sleek quad LED headlamps, and a muscular bumper that enhances its road presence. The raised stance, roof rails, and black cladding all around give it a rugged yet premium appeal. It also features stylish dual-tone alloy wheels and LED DRLs that contribute to a modern and commanding look, making it an attractive choice for urban families and adventure lovers alike. Inside, the XL6 is all about comfort and convenience. It comes with a 6-seat configuration, offering individual captain seats in the second row which provides superior comfort, especially for long journeys. The interior is finished in an all-black theme with premium stone finish accents on the dashboard, lending a sophisticated and sporty vibe. The cabin is spacious with ample headroom and legroom for all passengers, while the third row offers decent comfort for kids or short-distance travel. Under the hood, the Suzuki XL6 is powered by a 1.5-liter K-series petrol engine with smart hybrid technology. This engine is mated to either a 5-speed manual transmission or a smooth 4-speed automatic gearbox. It delivers a balanced performance, ensuring decent power delivery for city commutes and highway cruising while maintaining good fuel efficiency. The hybrid system aids in enhancing mileage and also contributes to smoother acceleration and start-stop functionality during traffic stops. One of the standout features of the XL6 is its well-equipped infotainment system. It comes with a 7-inch SmartPlay Studio touchscreen that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. Other convenience features include automatic climate control, push-button start, cruise control, keyless entry, electrically foldable ORVMs, and rear AC vents.